This video, I'm going to be doing a 10 minutes makeup challenge. I'm ready for it. I think it's going to be a lot, but let's begin. This shouldn't be part of this, please. Trying to beat up time. You don't need to get in the way, okay? Oh god, these brows already look not so fine. I'm not sure I'm going to conceal these brows, or should I? Oh my god, time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. I feel so cool. Like I have faith that I'm going to finish before 10 minutes time. Now it's really dawning on me that I actually don't even know where my concealer is. And this primer, this eyeshadow primer, it's not it, because I need to wet it or so, because I've not used it in a very long time. Trying. Oh god. Just realized my powder palette, I don't know where it is. Oh my god, I disliked it like this. I shouldn't have signed up for this challenge, not at all. Why did I sign up for this challenge? I have no idea. I don't even know if I'm going to mix this foundation right. Because my foundation shade, I don't think I have it, so I always have to mix. This foundation looks so small, but we're going to work with that anyway. I think I'm doing a pretty good job, right? Because this is just 4 minutes, and this is what I have. But this foundation will not be blended well. Will not be well blended for sure. Wait, I don't even know where my powder palette is. So how am I going to set this? Four minutes on the clock. Oh my goodness, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. It's here. Pencil is not sharpened, but okay. Don't have that time. No, because nothing is going to blend. Oh my god. Jeez. That's what happens when you're trying to rush. Actually finished my makeup before 10 minutes elapsed, and it doesn't look too bad. It's bad. It's bad. Camera is making it look good. It's bad. I still have some minutes, seconds rather. Ten minutes. I finished at 9 minutes 30 seconds. Right. This is it. I really don't know what to say about makeup. It is not well blended for sure. 10 minutes. It's a very short time to use to get a full face makeup. The makeup is not going to last more than 30 minutes. It might look okay, but it's not going to last, because there's no way you're blending your foundation in 2 minutes or 3 minutes and it's going to last you. No. If you want to get a full face, please take your time. But this was a challenge anyway, and it was really fun to do. But I think the brows are really terrible. Like, that's the most terrible part of makeup. Okay, the brows and the foundation blended and everything. Maybe that thing, I think, not too bad. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.